Hello everyone! Today we will learn how to install Visual Studio Code for Windows 10. Let's type Visual Studio Code in the search bar, press enter, visit the first link, click in Download for Windows. Now the download is starting. I will leave the link in the description, of course. Now we open the file, agree with the terms, next, then we can select the destination location, we don't need to do it, next, start menu folder, don't need, next, additional tasks, we don't need it as well, so press next. Ready to install, we are. Now it will take a little bit longer, of course. There we go, we installed it. Now we will finish and launch Visual Studio Code. And there we go, we have installed the Visual Studio Code successfully. Hope you guys are very nice and see you soon.